Hi there, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be changing a fuel filter in a Honda CRV 2014. I've changed a few filters on my other BMW, which is straightforward, but this seems to be another one of those things that is good to know. So basically this is on the back seat, passenger side. So as soon as you drop the passenger seat down, there's a carpet here. The carpet has already got a piece that can be opened up, so you open that piece up and this area is exposed. Once this is exposed, we just use a screwdriver to open these 3 screws. So the screw should be easily open. So you open 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so once the screws are loose, we can put them on the side like that. So there we go. Now pop the lid open carefully. Yeah, so once the lid is off, we've got a little connector here that's connecting to the filter itself. There's a clip here, so if you press the clip, if you press the clip this side and pull it, it should actually come out. So there we go. That's lodged disengaged. Once that's disengaged, with access to the filter itself. Now opening it was the main issue, so I'm just going to quickly run a quick clean this up. Right, that's all done. I don't believe you need to take out any fuses or anything. So that's where the fuel goes in. So basically there's a plastic clip here. If you press the clip, press it down and push it that way, that should open up. And then we need actually a tool to open this. So I had to wait for the tool to arrive. The tool we'd be using today, it looks like somewhat like this. So that's the tool. We're going to use this tool to align this and then open it up. So let me just set this tool up and then we'll do it. Right, we put the tool on. Once the tool's on, we turn, and once we turn it, the cap's going to come off. But before I do that, I'll disengage the fuel pump. So let me just take that off and take it from there. Right, I've taken the fuel line out, closed the pin here so the fuel doesn't come out other than it's coming out. So then I'm going to turn it, take this out and replace it with a brand new fuel filter, but there are bits that I need to replace and swap over, which I'm going to do later on. Let's continue with that right now and let me open this up. Okay, based on what I've seen, once this is open, there would be slight compressed air inside it, which lets the fuel out. But once that's done and it'll just let the fuel air come out slightly, then it's fine, it's good to go. I'm going to open this up and replace the parts and put it back in again and see how it goes. Right, the fuel filter is now out. I've pulled it all out. Obviously we're going to go down and replace the bits that need to be replaced and push them back in again and put it back together. So that's pretty straightforward now. The main part was how to open it and take it out. So once you've got hang of this, the rest should be straightforward. Right, so here I've replaced these parts. All of these have been replaced with the washers, the clips, the connector, so all these parts are supplied in the box by Honda. So just replace all of these parts that come out and in the new housing. Pretty straightforward, to be honest. Once you get this far, it's not that difficult. Make sure you replace this piece here inside there. There's a filter in there, and also take the motor out and insert that into the new one. And then the spring would load, the loading spring, this one here, that needs to go in again, new one here because the old one is taken out. And then just put the pins in back in again, these pin clips, which will go on the either side, and put the back in the car, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let me just finish this off because I've already replaced everything now. Just going to put it back together again now. Okay, once the replacement filter, the new one, is in there, we've got to replace this seal here, which sits underneath the filter itself, and then we just screw this back on again and we're good to go. Let me just put that on and then we should be right. Right, so that's all tightened up. We have to make sure we tighten it as much as possible because of the seal and everything. So yeah, so far so good. It looks all right. We've been restarting the car and hopefully it should work. Everything seems to be in all right, so let's see how it goes. I'm not going to screw this up right now because I just want to make sure everything is good. But we're good. Yep, so far so good. Started first time, no issues at all. Just popped it in and started. So I guess that's how you change the fuel filter on a Honda CRV. Thank you for watching. Any questions? Happy to help. Until next time, bye for now.